Battery Guyz.
Hey, I was talking about your process, well, purchasing a battery.
Okay. What do you need, man?
Purchasing for me. No, I have a battery, and it's not a junk battery. It's never been used, but it's been like 2 years since I purchased it.
Uh-huh.
Or so.
Okay.
Just trying to see how that works.
You trying to sell your battery, the old battery?
Yes.
Okay, all right. We pay $5 for car batteries.
So even if it's never been used,
You said it's 2 years old.
it's 2 years old. I never put it. I purchased it
Uh-huh.
to create a mobile office
Okay.
in my car, but
Yes, ma'am.
I never did. And it's like an RV type. I don't know what type of battery, but I just know it was expensive when I was just trying to see if you guys purchased batteries, but I know how to $5.
Yeah. To be honest with you, man, we're in the business of purchasing junk batteries, like car batteries, for like $5. That's the most we pay for car batteries. If you want to sell that battery, if it's new, my suggestion is put it on Facebook Marketplace or put it on Craigslist. Okay. All right. Thank you for the call, man. Battery Guyz.
Someone came for a reconditioned battery. Do you guys offer like not trade-ins, but do you offer money for the old core?
Yeah, we sure do. We take off $20.
Okay. I just want to price out for I don't know how do you guys read these things.
What's in your make and model of your vehicle?
Well, this one was my old battery came out my vehicle before, so this was just a new battery we were just going to put in there. But the vehicle is an '05 Ford Focus.
Okay, H5. Okay, we got that battery in stock for you. With the old core change, you're looking at the door, $80 plus tax, which is $91. Comes with a 1-year warranty.
Okay.
We also got a 2-year.
A 2-year warranty as well?
Yep, we also got a 2-year warranty at the door, which includes tax for $112.49.
Okay. I'll probably be up there today or tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you then.
Okay, question for you. How did you hear about us? How did you hear about us?
I've shopped with you guys before.
Okay, all right then. So repeat customer. Okay, good then. Good.
Yes.
Okay, all right. We'll look for you today or tomorrow then.
Yes, see you then. It'll probably be today, but I'll see you then.
Okay, all right then. We close at 5.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.